My name is Brian Ayikriadi, second year medical student of Tennepo State Medical University. Tennepo State Medical University is one of the best medical universities in Ukraine. It's come out with so many wonderful doctors around the globe. We have wonderful tutors, teachers who are giving us the best of education we can ever dream of. If you want a good education, a quality one, you have to come to Tennepo State Medical University. We have wonderful teachers, wonderful tutorial materials that are being given to us, and we are getting the best when it comes to our academics. When it comes to delivery, we have 100% success from Tennepo State Medical University. You can never get any other best apart from Tennepo State Medical University. Everyone across the globe should come to Tennepo State Medical University for them to get a better and a quality education. Thank you.